Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It got released on August 11th. So if you guys like the flip phone form factor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is worth checking out here. So it is now available for $999.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage, or 12 gigabytes for $1119.99 in there. Alright, so y'all guys have 4 colors to choose from. Y'all guys have lavender, mint, graphite, and cream colors that are currently in stock as I'm recording this video, so that is very nice. So this is the Z Flip 5. There is the internal display, very nice. You do have a whole punch front facing camera where my mouse is right here on the top of the phone. On the back of the Z Flip 5 is a massive covered display, dual camera setup, camera flash, and this is the back of the phone. Obviously, there's the there it is in flex mode. Very nice there. There's a closer look at it in flex mode. There's your microphone, Type-C charging port, speaker. There is the closer look at the cover screen, which is massive as hell. Y'all guys have camera flash, dual camera setup. There's back of the Z Flip 5. There's the hinge right there, has Samsung logo in it, which is very nice. The left side has your SIM card slot. Right side power button, which is also your fingerprint sensor. It also has your volume keys on the right side of the phone as well. Alright. So the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is 2.83 inches in width and 3.35 inches in height when it is folded. Now when it's unfolded, it's 6.50 inches in height and 2.83 inches in width. Up to 10 days of standby time, 22 hours on usage time, 12 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide, fixed focus with camera flash, f2.2 aperture. It has 4K video recording, dual preview, flex mode, director's view, single take, auto framing, hyperlapse camera. I don't know why it does that, but it says here, meet the phone that's tiny, trendy, and totally flex-worthy. A compact, durable design makes this pocket-sized phone perfect for life on the go. With Flex window, you can reply to text, preview photos, and access more widgets than before with your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Folded shut. And with Flex mode, you can capture hands-free selfies and videos from any angle, send photos and videos in a flash from your Galaxy Z Flip 5 to other devices using Quick Share, plus personalize your phone from the outside and with a customizable cover screen and fashionable covers to show off your style. Flex your phone as bold as you are with Galaxy Z Flip 5 and combine it with Verizon, the network America relies on. Alright. So show off the pocket perfect and powerful Galaxy Z Flip 5 with its innovative design. The compact foldable phone is packed with a big personality. With Flex window, the large cover screen you can use while compact Galaxy Z Flip 5 takes conversation to a whole new level. Simply reply to text, change songs, and snap photos with just one hand. Embrace your inner photographer and capture beautiful portraits. Find the perfect angle with a cover screen that lets you clearly preview pics live before capturing. Then snap your share-worthy shot with a camera made to impress on Galaxy Z Flip 5. With customizable widgets and a full cover screen, Galaxy Z Flip 5 is ready to go, even when it's closed. Complete tasks and it flies, like sending text, answering calls, and checking your calendar. Unfold ultimate personalization with Flex window on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Decorate your cover screen to highlight new video, GIF backgrounds, unique frames, and customizable stock styles, plus access your favorite widgets with ease. Put Galaxy Z Flip 5 in flex mode and record stunning video without holding your phone. Whether it's your newest dance move, an outdoor adventure, or time with family, capture life's moments with ease using hands-free recording. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is packed with cutting-edge tech and robust materials to ensure it can handle tough environments. Galaxy Z Flip 5 has been tested and verified to withstand 200,000 folds over 5 years of daily use. With IPX8, you can feel confident taking your device on an outdoor adventure. The new Flex Hands ensures seamless opening and closing while enhancing the phone's durability. Gold Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminum provides exceptional strength while maintaining a sleek and lightweight design. Samsung offers a free one-time replacement of the internal screen protection and discounted one-time wave-free screen repair. Says express your individuality with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5's array of captivating colors. With 4 fresh and vibrant options to choose from, this device allows you to make a bold statement and showcase your style, whether you prefer a classic or a sophisticated look, a playful burst of color, or something in between. You can find your perfect match. Make the most of every moment with Galaxy connectivity. You can auto switch to Galaxy Buds to answer calls effortlessly and sync to tablet to share files or photos simply with Quick Share. You can also track your health and fitness when you pair your Galaxy Watch. Alright, so that is very nice. Specs of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. When it is folded, it is 3.35 inches height. When it's unfolded, 6.50 inches height. The width of the phone is 2.83 inches. The depth of the phone, when it is folded, it is 0.59 inches. When it's unfolded, it's 0.27 inches. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 weighs 6.60 ounces. Of course, it's Type-C for charging. Has full colors. You guys have graphite, lavender, cream, and mint color options. They're all in stock as I'm recording this video here. Noticeable materials: foldable Armor Aluminum, Gold Glass Victus 2. Screen size 6.7 inches. That's the main display. The cover screen is 3.4 inches. aspect ratio. The main display has a 120Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio, the main display 22 by 9, that is 2640 by 1080 pixels. Cover display is a 4 by 5 aspect ratio. Actually, no, what is a 4 by 3.85 aspect ratio, that is a 748 by 720 pixel resolution. Screen type dynamic AMOLED 2 times main Samsung Ultra thin glass cover Gorilla Glass Victus 2. 10 days of standby time, 22 hours of usage time. 25 watt super fast charging. This have wireless charging, fast wireless charging 2.0, power share, 10 megapixel front facing camera. It has a 12 megapixel, has dual 12 megapixel cameras. One of them is a wide angle, the other one is an ultra wide. So the front camera records in 4K 60, back camera records in 4K 60. Camera modes 4K video recording, dual preview, flux mode, director's view, single take, auto framing, hyperlapse. It runs Android 13 with wnjoy 5.1.1, 256 or 5 GB of storage, and it has 8 GB of DDR5 RAM. Up to 10 devices on hotspot. It has fingerprint sensor, which is your power button. Has facial recognition, and has Samsung locks on there as well. Bluetooth 5.3. It has Bixby and Google Assistant, of course. It has some accessibility settings. It has 5G nationwide, 4G. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and ACAX. Tri-band Wi-Fi right there with Wi-Fi 6E support. Full device, battery 3700 milliamps. It also has 5G ultra wideband as well, so that's always a plus. It has roaming and roaming networks. Hearing that compatibility, it has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is octa-core, so it's very nice. So it has all the latest and greatest flagship specs. This is a flagship phone, so there you go. If you guys need help with your Galaxy Z Flip 5, Verizon is here to help you out with that here. It says that Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your Galaxy Z Flip 5 prepaid smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and you probably get some ejection tool in there. So you'll need a Type-C charging port, a Type-C charging brick, alright? So yeah, it's standard stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you guys like the flip phone form factor, this is the phone for you. It's worth checking out if you guys like the form factor and stuff like that. It has great specs, great features and stuff like that. It's definitely worth checking out. And yeah, it's definitely worth it. So there is no contract, of course. You will have to pay full retail price for this phone here. So yeah, it's worth checking out if you guys are interested. And all 4 colors are in stock as I'm recording this video here, so hopefully that will be the same time when this video is live on YouTube. So we'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.